After months of anticipation, President Joe Biden announced on Wednesday that he would be forgiving a significant amount of student debt as part of his 2017 budget plan. Depending on the income level and type of loan, millions of federal borrowers will receive a reduction in their debt of up to $20,000 each. Furthermore, Biden also extended the pause on student loan payments for the last time in addition to announcing loan forgiveness. It will not be necessary for borrowers to pay their monthly loan bills until the beginning of January 2023. As of now, there are still a number of unknowns regarding the student debt forgiveness plan and how it will work. This includes a timeline that will let borrowers know when they can expect to see a decline in their debt balances. In this video, I will attempt to answer questions that are most frequently asked about this plan. So, watch it till the end. Who does the student loan forgiveness affect? Biden's announcement will impact as many as 43 million borrowers having earnings under $125,000. Those who went to college on Pell Grants are eligible for up to $20,000 in loan forgiveness, and others qualify for up to $10,000. How will I know if I qualify for student loan forgiveness? Borrowers are eligible for student loan forgiveness if their income is less than $125,000 for individuals and less than $250,000 for married couples or heads of households, according to a White House fact sheet and the U.S. Department of Education. Does student loan forgiveness include interest? If your PSLF form is approved for forgiveness, you will be notified that the entire remaining balance of your eligible direct loans will be forgiven, including all outstanding interest and principal. Will our taxes go up because of student loan forgiveness? Under Section 9675 of the American Rescue Plan Act, ARPA, however, the forgiveness of student loan debt between 2021 and 2025 does not count toward federal taxable income. How many years before student loans are forgiven? Forgive loans after 10 years of repayments for borrowers who owe $12,000 or less, and prevent loan balances from growing by having the federal government cover the difference between the borrower's monthly payment and the amount of interest owed. How long can you stay on income-based repayment? The maximum repayment period is 25 years. After 25 years, any remaining debt will be discharged, forgiven. Under current law, the amount of debt discharged is treated as taxable income, so you will have to pay income taxes 25 years from now on the amount discharged that year. What student loans are not eligible for forgiveness? Private student loans, by definition, are private and are not eligible to be forgiven. These are loans the borrower owes to student loan providers and not the federal government. Is student loan forgiveness based on parents' income? Borrowers who are dependent students will be eligible for relief based on parental income rather than their own income. How much taxes do you pay on student loan forgiveness? The COVID-19 relief package, which became law in 2021, designates federal student loan forgiveness as tax-free through the end of 2025. What if I cannot afford to pay even with loan forgiveness? Once payments resume, borrowers who cannot pay and eventually default. That can hurt your credit rating and mean you will not be eligible for additional aid. There is also a proposal in Biden's plan that would allow people with undergraduate loans to be able to cap the repayment of their education loans at 5% of their monthly income. This type of proposal can take a year or more to be implemented, and it is unclear what the fine print will be when it comes to implementation. Do you have any questions? Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.